वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आप लोगों को कितने स्पीड में डिक्टेशन चाहिए वो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के बता सकते हैं। स्टार्ट। संदेश खाली। A 28-year-old man was arrested on Sunday for allegedly molesting 14-year-old at her house in Sandeshkhali on the intervening night of Friday and Saturday. The accused, identified as Indrajit Sahu, is the son of a Trinamool worker in Sandeshkhali's Barmajur area. According to the complaint lodged by the family of the Class 8 student, the crime took place around 1:30 a.m. on Saturday. My granddaughter was sleeping in her room. The youth broke in through a bamboo fence behind our house and barged in. She woke up when he grabbed hold of her face. We were sleeping in the adjoining room when we heard her screaming. We rushed in and saw him fleeing, the girl's grandmother said. On Saturday, the family lodged a complaint at a CBI camp set up in a building near Dhamakhali Ferry Ghat. According to sources, CBI officials forwarded the complaint by email to Bosirhat SP, after which Sahu was arrested by police. He was booked under the POCSO Act. He was produced in a Bosirhat court on Sunday. A senior district police officer said he was remanded in police custody for 5 days. The accused's father, however, denied the allegations. My son was in his room on Friday night. He was falsely implicated as we are Trinamool activists, he said. Stop.